Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you crop video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, to crop video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro, at first just go to your Adobe Premiere Pro. Here you can see I have already selected a clip. Now to crop this video clip, you need to go to your effects. Here you can see effects option. If you don't have this here, you can just click on this window and you can just select these effects. You can also select effect controls if you need, and after that in the effect option just search for crop. Here you can see the crop is here. Now just left click from your mouse and drop it here, and here you can see the effect controls are here. You can just select the crop option like this from left. Just long press on your left click on your mouse and drag your mouse from left to right, and you will see this like this. You can also make it from top, bottom and right as well. You can also make this edge faded. It's quite like fading like this. You can zoom it if you want by clicking it. Now you can see the video is zoom. You can crop anywhere you want. So guys, that's how you can crop video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tag Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.